how to access the control center and also how to add more shortcuts to your control center. So when your iPhone 13 Pro is unlocked, on your right side, just pull with one finger like this. And as you can see, now we access to the control center. From here, you can do different options, different settings. So for example, you can adjust the brightness. Also, you can switch your Bluetooth on. Or for example, you can see most of the settings here, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, AirDrop. And the same with other settings down below. So from here you can access even more settings. We have the flashlight, we have the recording screen, clock, alarm, and so on. So how to add more stuff here, let me show you. So first, let's go to the settings, and then let's go to the control center. And from here, as you can see, we have even more settings to add. So on this side are the settings that are already in control center. And if you scroll down, we can add even more settings. So for example, I would like to add the, let's say, the Apple TV remote. So what you have to do is press the plus button. And as you can see now, if you go to the control center, and if you scroll down, we have the Apple Plus remote control, which is very, very easy to set up. But let's say you want to remove some of the settings already here, that let's say you don't want to use some of the settings. Again, let's go to the control center. Let's go to the settings that are already here, and let's find the remote control, which is Apple TV remote. And to remove that, just press the minus and then press the remove. And let's go back to the control center. And as you can see, the setting, the option here, the shortcut already is gone. So here we go. Thank you very much, and like for more.